tayo sa pagdating dito sa Antique. And now, it's morning na, obviously. The sun is up. And we are now approaching the Freedom Park of Antique here in San Jose de Buena Vista. Shall we go around? Hindi na. Kasi tayo po ay magbabiyay for another 6 hours. So there's the Antique Provincial Capital. And on our left is the Antique Provincial Capital din. The new. Alright, so if you have watched my other vlog, meron na tayong country tour dito sa Plaza. So you can watch it, guys. And now, I'm taking my coffee while driving para hindi tayo antigin mamaya. Breakfast, kumain na ako ng chocolate and munchkins. I bought one. Last time, I bought munchkins. It costs 10 pesos. In fairness, dito sa 7-Eleven, it's only 9 pesos. You can buy munchkins. Yeah, I got blue coffee from 7-Eleven. And, yun, if you want to buy some coffee for me, have it brewed. Have it brewed! I mean, iwas tayo sa matatamis. Pagkatapos kumain ng chocolate, munchkins, iwas na matatamis. But, I'm pairing with the brewed coffee, diba? Para at least tamang timpla lang. Tamang tamis. Tulad ng okay, may nakita lang ako. Kala ko future ko na, char. Yun, so, we're on our way, going to Capiz. We're going back to Capiz to complete our Panay loop. And for now, I just had my gas up. Full tank tayo. 45. I had it 42 kanina, pero may laman pa yung ano ko. Mga 3 liters siguro. Malapit na akong maubusan kanina. Ito is signal. Ano ba? Hindi, kasi may nakita kong office. Anyway, hindi ko kasi alam. Hinahanap ko dito yung office ng PLDT. Baka may nakakaalam sa office ng PLDT. Please let me know. Comment down below sa mga taga-Antique dyan. Next, go na natin ito. Please let me know saan po yung office ng PLDT. Now, I'm on my way out of San Jose. Kasi nandun ako kanina sa Davipe. I checked it's closed. Now, I'm not searching for the office, but I just want to know where is the office of the PLDT. So please do comment down below sa mga taga-Antique dyan. Thank you so much. Now, we are on our way out. Daan lang natin sa Gaisano, and now we are approaching Robinsons. Yes, may Robinsons na po dito sa Antique. There you go. You can see the big R. That's actually my mall. Ruby Inspired Mall. Robinsons. There. Robinsons Place. Antique. Let's take some moment of silence. Moment of silence! Just as we go out, then this would be sort of a silent vlog for a while to get myself ready for the mountain ranges of Antique. So mamaya makikita niyo yung iconic na provincial road. National Road ng Antique. Iloilo Road mamaya sa taas ng bundok. Long Haninhanan. Papagalitan tayo ng mga Antiqueño nito. Oh man. Hampik and Annie pinag-merge ko eh. Hindi tayo maganda yung mga beaches nila dito. And Antique is currently promoting its tourism. So they are actually inviting tourists who knows how to practice health protocol, who knows how to follow pala health protocols. Our Department of Tourism is inviting you to visit Antique kasi dito it's not totally COVID free, but we have low cases of COVID patients here. Now we're going out. Doon na, nakita natin yung checkpoint. Going out of San Jose del Buena Vista. Dito na nga tayo sa Hampik. So I was wrong. Hampik tayo ngayon. So yung ano, I know Anini is below the coastal road. Mamaya, makikita natin. I'll tell you. So for a while, I'll be taking my coffee, konting sip muna sa coffee natin. While of course our eyes are on the road, our mouth will shut down for a while so that we could take our coffee. Good. Here, what I like here in Antique, hindi sila nagtitipid ng signs. As you could see, doon, slow down. So we are on 35 kilometers per hour. And there you see naman, bawal mag-overtake. Kahit the roads are painted yellow. Tama ba? Yung mga traffic rules. Yun, dito. Bawal mag-overtake kasi we are approaching the beach. Eto na. There. So, this is the first bridge that we will be crossing. Then, eto na yung favorite part ko dito kasi pwede na mag-overtake, no? Di maganda na dito yung daan. Tapos, maya-maya, magpo 4 lanes na. Yun. So, for a while, I'll be taking my coffee again. This is the 4th time, I believe so, that I told you. See you later. See you my mouth later. See my mouth later. What? Okay, after. Thank you so much. Welcome to Barangay Poblacion, Hampi. Now we are leaving the Poblacion of Hampi and crossing the Hampi Bridge. Okay, pugong your breath. Alright, you can now breathe out or breathe in. Yeah, do you believe that? If it's your first time to cross the bridge, you have to make stop your breathing. How do you call that? Ano ba? Pigilan mo yung paghinga. Kailangan yung pigilan yung paghinga. Pagkadating nyo sa dulo ng tay. Wala. Yoko na. What's French? Tay. Don't know. Hala. Anong bridge? Anong bridge? Comment down below what's bridge in Tagalog. Grabe. Kakahiya naman ito. Tay. Tay na. Konekta ng dalawang lugar. What's Taytay? Taytay ba? Hindi. Hindi na ako hanggang mamaya tatahimik na lang ako hanggat hindi ko malaman kung ano yung Tagalog ng bridge. Taytay ba? Tayo ay tatawid ng bridge. Tayo ay tatawid ng tawiran. What? Tawid bridge under construction. Natawiran. Nakumo-connecta ng dalawang lugar. Prince PRI. GE, of course, I know how to spell bridge. Hindi, kasi there are other words in English that you would translate it in Tagalog. Yung spelling lang, yung bigka kayo. You spell how you bigkas. Diba? Ngayon, tawiran. Tawiran eh. Tawiran. Tawiran sa kabila ng dalawang barangay. Ay, kumikap, sito. Kumikap. Ayoko sana na ikaw ay mawawala. Mawasak lamang ang aking mundo. Ngunit anong magagawa kung talagang ayaw na? Sino ba naman ako para pigilin ka? Lumayok ka man ay mapil. Ay, mali. aking harapan. Pag-ibig at pagsuyo na daming nasaluhan, nagbabayaran. Ayaw ko nang mangarap, ayaw ko nang tumingin, ayaw ko nang manalamin, nasasaktan ng damdamin, umulong ng luha. Patuloy-tuloy buhay sa pag-ikot, ngayon ako'y nasa ilalim. If you go to the right, that's going to ilalim the coastal road and going up there in the mountains. Sana bukas na sa ibabaw naman. So that's the intersection going to the coastal road, and now we are on our way up in the mountain. Thank you so much. That's not, that's allergy. You know, it started to rain here. And if it's raining, my allergic rhinitis is making start already. Wala na akong alam na kanta eh. Ang ganda nung boses. Wow. Ang ganda ng mountain. Na may isang Ceres Plus from ano ba? Yay! May coffee. Hindi naman ako allergic sa coffee. Pero hindi need to drink some water. Ay, tarahan yun. Alright, that's the bridge. Congratulations for those who held their breath. I hope I took your breath away. Alright. Ito na, papasok na tayo sa mountain area, sa mountain ranges ng Antique. So excited to show you how to the left, to the right are here in Antique. Yes, madami pong houses dito sa roads na ito. So the Ceres bus is now at my back. Keep distance. Okay, ay, magpa-parking ba? Mauna ako sa'yo. Okay. Now, there you go. Magsa-start na yung ating journey ng to the left, to the right. So, I have to keep my silence already. See you later. Yung tama na, Hampik. This is still Hampik. Tama. Doon sa baba is Marini. Dito, both the mountain ranges and the boundary to San Jose is still Hampik. The roads are still under construction. And you have to maintain 30 kilometers per hour of speed lang dito if you are traveling along the mountain. reminds you slow down. Akyat tayo ngayon. You get to see a beautiful view later. You wait for it. Then it's another sign. It's a U-turn here. For the bus na pag nag-approach sila may Carabao. We have a third wave, S wave here. After the U-turn, mag-S na naman. So that's 3. Okay, we're going up. Ako doon sa 4 lanes, naalala ko, I parked and rested for a while. Yes, that's the first mountain S-curve na nadaanan natin. Mamaya, makikita nyo, meron ding ganun doon sa kabila. So at least, if you would like to travel from Iloilo to Antique, you know what to expect here in the mountain ranges. And let's try to pass by the other side of the mountain. So don't be scared ha. It's normal here na yung mga mountain ranges na kala mo the same. Siyempre, of course, eto na yung second part na kala ko the same siya. Kasi a good thing may riprap yung sides ng mountain. Kaya nagmumukhang the same. Kasi may riprap siya na. That's why. It's another curve. And there are signages that you have to keep 30 kilometers per hour to avoid accidents here. And during rainy season, ano dito kasi landslide prone. So we have to keep slow breathtaking. Diba? Pag medyo sabihin mo nang nakakatakot yung daan if you are alone, pero pag ito naman yung nakikita mo, it takes away all the fear that you have inside. That's the beauty of nature. Parang nare-rejuvenate ka, yung soul mo bumabalik, nabubuhayan ka. That's why we really have to protect Mother Nature para hindi siya magalit, hindi siya magtampo, you know na. Tapos babalik din sa atin yun. How could she protect us if we ourselves will not be able to protect her as well? Diba? Ayun. Dito na tayo sa another S-Road. Ang ganda na ng development dito sa Antique. Keeping you safe then along the travel. Then you have there an L sign. Turning right. Let's see, this is turning right. Yeah, there is turning right. Right. We're going up again. Are we? That's the same view that we have last on our second episode, second series. Sa Ibahay, yun din favorite ko pag pupunta ako ng Cadibo. Ng Katiklan pala. From Cadibo going to Katiklan. Yun na nasa taas ako ng bukid. Tapos nakikita mo yung mga mountain ranges on the right side. You could see that in my previous vlog, yung second natin vlog. It's a plan going to Antique via Ibahay na episode. Diba kasi, diba pag na-develop na yung lugar nyo, the economy is rising. It's going up, up, up. Dito, makikita nyo later in a while yung mga stores na pwede nyong bilhan ng Bandi. Bandi is a sugar-coated peanut na you could make pasalubong to your family members if you're going back to Iloilo, you're going back to Capiz, or you're going back to Calibo. Marami ditong small houses. I can't consider it as lost kasi it's a little sort of houses with hapit ka mo here. Arapitan, one of the tourist spot at pwedeng pahingahan ng mga tourists. Now, this is another S-Road. This is, I believe, pang-apat na S-Road na akala mo yun nga sabi ko yun. Parang, the first time I drove, sabi ko, nakadaan na ako dito eh. Tapos akala ko tapos na, di ba? Marami na doon straight road. Tapos bigla ang, oh man, may ganito na naman. May S-Road na naman. I thought it's over. Pero hindi. That is the fourth one that we had. S-Road. Last time, nung dumaan ako dito, meron pang Big Rock. Papasok na yung bagyo. So, I avoided the bagyo. Well, avoided the bagyo talaga. I passed through the via coastal road. So, when we'll be coming back here, let's pass by the coastal road. Mas nagustuhan ko actually pag if I'm coming from Iloilo, going to Antique, mas gusto ko dong dumaan. Though I'll be saving my gasoline here. Kasi, yun nga, sabi ko sa inyo, 5 years ago, that's what I learned from my office gas since paano bang magpapaayon? Hayaan mo na lang na you go with the gravity. Go with the gravity yun. So you don't have to step on your gas. Just allow the gravity to pull you down. Ngayon, I'm stepping on the gas since we are going up. But later, when we are going down, you could allow the pull of the gravity to make andar your car. To pull you down. Yun. Para makatipid ka sa gas. Compare na the coastal road and you have to make apak talaga the gas. Woo! Ha, hiningal na ako. You know, you could still hear me in my Hiligaynon speaking skills in my other vlogs, but for this special episode for our fundraising, I'm trying my best to communicate with all of you. Of course, we have international and nationwide viewers, so I have to adjust and speak to you of the same language. Oh, what? Oh, para magkaintindihan tayo. Kasi, syempre, pag ako nagsalita ng Hiligaynon, hindi nyo ako maiintindihan. Paano na kayo manunood, di ba? There. So, another S road here. That's the fifth one. But the total count, that's around slow down, accident prone area. Pero ito yung mga magkakamukhang S road na may riprap on the side. At least, di ba, na-appreciate ko talaga dito yung daan na maraming signage. The government are spending for the safety of the constituents, which I applaud here in Antique. Yan. Pero mas maganda talaga if I have a driver. Para makakatulog ako. Di ba? Yan. So, this is another signage. This is 12 na natin yung signage. But yung magkamukang S road, that's 5. Kung huwag kayong baka tulad ko kayo na unang beses nang pumunta dito na akala nyo na nag-shirva na kayo. Hindi. Marami talagang S road. You don't have to take your shirt off and have it upside down if you think it's that way. No, hindi. It's ganito talaga yung daan dito. At least now you know. There's a school here. Daycare center. We are still in Hamtik, I believe so. The whole mountain range is the municipality of Hamtik. There's another signage. We're going on the sea, turning left. Wow! The child is making paligo! I miss the beach. As if I do swim. Ang ganda lang ng feeling ganito kainit tapos naliligo ka sa beach. Diba? There's another S road, the 13th S. Yan. Merong grotto on the left. And there we go. We're going out of Antique na. So come again. Welcome to the province of Iloilo. Say goodbye, Antique. Goodbye, Antique. Come again. Ready to say goodbye. To say goodbye. Goodbye, Antique. Come again. And welcome to Iloilo. Here ba yun? Pwede mag-stop over! Tapos we take a picture over there! We're going on another S. Landslide prone area. Iloilo First District. Engineering's office. Going down na. Ang ganda-ganda ng view. Grabe talaga. Don't worry on our next round if we could still go on a road trip. I'll try to make kwento to you the tourist spots and study it over the weekend. Over the weekend. The next weekend. So that I could add up tourist destinations here in Antique, in Aklan, in Capiz, and of course in Iloilo. We're going up again. There's another S round that looks the same. The only difference now, marami na siyang grass on the side. Sorry, drop me. Wait, did I see a horse? Is it a horse? Horse ba yun? Nakita niyo ba yun? It's a carabao. I thought it's a horse. I think it's a horse. Yeah, did I see a horse? Ang ganda-ganda. stepping on the gas anymore. We have a school here. This is already San Joaquin, huh? Breathtaking view. Oh, love it. Only if I could shift the camera going to the left. You see how beautiful the view here. Hey chicken, move out. They must not. Check your brakes. Yeah, check your brakes. Slow down. Accident prone area. Shop, magkatabi lang sila. That's the fifth shop dito din sa Bani area. Ang daming pwede mong bilahan. Yung pasalubong. Medyo delicacy. Hindi siya nag-flip over yung ano eh. Yung signage niya. Medyo something. Medyo I don't know. elementary days pa. We have here another store, but it's not selling bandi. I know, here is display. Yan. Ano lang po dito? Yan. And then another bandi area. Yan. 1, 2, 3. So, 8 shops. Yung pwede nyong pagbilhan ng pasalubong dito sa San Joaquin. If you're going home. Then doon na, eto na talaga yung marami nang stop over. Access strip, another strip, Los Lourdes. Tapos may CR kasi sila dito. Then if you are a driver, meron kang free bandi and water. Dos Marias there. And you also have here another shop, Prince, and 4J's. Yun. How fast? So that's 12 shops. 12 shops in all na pwede mong bilhan ng pasalubong. If you are coming from Antique and traveling to Iloilo, Capiz, Tarlac via the mountain range of Antique, you could buy in the shops here. That's why we pass through this road para at least makita nyo yung pasalubong center at ang ganda ng mountain on my right. Imagine nyo na lang kung may mata kayo on your right. Kaya hindi ko siya alam kung meron na kayo makikita. Tawa na lang kayo! On my right. Ang ganda, ganda. On my left, parang rice terraces siya. On my right, look at that. It's the mountains. Because, you know, we are filled with beautiful mountains. We are protected by the mountains. Unfortunately, yun nga, 2005 ba? Yung Frank, binagyo din at binaha. Dahil dito sa Iloilo. That's why please do support my vlogs, my Panay Look. We will be donating the proceeds, the amount that we will be earning from this vlog to our brothers and sisters in Cagayan, Isabela, and Tuguegarao. Currently, I just checked my vlog and I earned 1 cent. 1 cent for my first video yesterday. So keep watching. Delayed kasi siya ng 2 days in YouTube. And I hope you could help me by sharing this video so that we could raise more funds. Ayun, you could see the sea on the right side. Can you see it? San Joaquin, Iloilo, Anini on the right. Yay! Dito na tayo sa intersection palabas. So, if dumaan tayo ng coastal road, dito tayo lalabas na paakyat Anini from Anini. Okay, say goodbye na to Antique. Yes, and hello. This is another pasalubong center and CR zone. Kung gusto nyo mag-rest for a while. And that's the dagat on the right. Kung nakikita nyo, dagat on another 30 minutes. Travel time. Green Farm Fresh Eggs. That's one of the tourist destinations here in Iloilo. Green Farm. Kung saan mayroong yung tinatawag na stairways to heaven. You could see in some vlog sites yung may stairs, tapos there are angels and clouds. Akala mo nasa langit ka talaga. That's here in San Jose, Green Farm. Now the sun is hurting me and I'm starting to feel drowsy. The brand. Tawiran. Tama ba? Hindi ko. Hindi ko alam. Yeah, I think so. Comment din sa dano. San Jose, San Joaquin pala. Sorry. San Joaquin from. Not for sale. Gimbal Riverside Park. Welcome to Gimbal, our little hometown, the town of the rising sun and suns. If we could stay longer in Lido, I'll show you around Esplanade. Esplanade, we are already under construction. What? For the Esplanade number 6 or 8 na gamit. 6, I know 6. Yeah. Alam mo, pag nasa gimbal ka na, pag merong plant box na yellow, itong lampposts nila. Ito yung tinutukoy ko last time na nasa Romusa tayo. Then we have Niagaw Church, and on our left, you're turning left, we have their plaza. Ay, hindi nyo nakita. Just move your head to the right. Or malaking shout out, visit Gigi's Vlogs. Kasi marami siyang vlog dito sa Gimbal. Gimbal. Before, ang marine farm dito sa Gimbal. But now, it was moved to San Joaquin for a bigger land meron silang infinity pool. So aside from the beach itself, you could enjoy the pool. Oh, gumanda na yung seafood. Oh, we are now in Tigbawan. Seafood area, marine biodiversity research. Dito ako anong tawag, practical nung high school. So we stayed here for a research project. We were taught different species of fishes and other marine biodiversity. Now, gumanda na din. Sabi ko, so dito yung center ng research in the Philippines when it comes to fisheries. Yung seabed. On the right, another beach. Beach not for sale. Sana marami akong pera. dried fishes on the right side. Oh, lipad na green. Dapat kunin nyo na yung fish. Allergic ako sa dried fish eh. City or airport. So, dito, meron ding shortcut going to airport. Yung nasa harap natin, papuntang airport siya. Entry to Iloilo. Bound to city. Pupunta siya ng airport. Tayo papasok sa Iloilo City. currently yung fare, Iloilo going to San Jose, Antique is 200 pesos. Sa van. 200 pesos. Dito kayo sasakay. Sa Muhuan Terminal. Now we're going straight to Iloilo City. Have here Ceres Terminal on the right. Doon van. Itong terminal ng Ceres. Maliit lang compared doon. Going north na malaki talaga yung main Ceres Terminal. If you're going to northern part of Iloilo or going to Capiz and Aklan. And if you're going to Antique, dito yung Ceres Terminal. entering Molo Plaza. Proper, then we will make pagkas. Go and let's check how much have we used up during our travel. 42 na din ito, 42.75. Okay. We used up, wala, hindi ko nakita. 40, I spent 31 pesos. 31, 301 divided by 42.75. On my right is Molo Mansion. On the left is Molo Plaza. We'll show you the tour. We'll go around the Molo Plaza so I could show you the Molo Terminal. If you're riding a van and it will go straight to your city, you will be dropped down here in Molo Plaza. So from Antique going to Iloilo, we spend 7 liters. 7 liters of gasoline. Last time, kasi ko naka-full tank, kaya ganun. Alaman ako. Here. Believe this is a shortcut. Tapos, I know, truck naman siya. I'm just making sure that I'm on the right road. Or baka? Ay, hindi. Madadaanan ba natin? Ay, alangan. Hindi na natin nadaanan. On the right side is the terminal. Molo Terminal. Yan. Yan ba? Oo. Nandun yung terminal sa right. Hindi ko na nasakop ng camera. Sorry! Pero dito na area, kayo bababa if you are riding the van that will direct to the city. Now, we will be passing by Andurial. Our last district before we continue our next episode from we will proceed pa pala to Haro, then Haro we will start at Ceres Terminal, jump off point from Iloilo going to Rojas City. Or should we start from siguro Haro Plaza para mas madali sa'yo. So from here, pwede from Molo, if I did not turn left, we could go straight to city proper and diretso sa Haro din. Thank you. So here, I will show you Mandurriao Plaza and konti confidential road, we will be passing the back portion of Mandurrian. So, dun tayo sa kay Villar na mall. So, this is the old airport bought by Mega World and now being developed. The commercial district, this is district here in Iloilo City. Now we are entering Mandurrial district. So we spent 7 liters from Antique going to Ilo. 300 pesos since the rate here is 22.75. Ay! Sayang, hindi ako nakahingi ng raffle. May raffle dapat yun eh. Sayang, mapalit tayo. Nakalimutan ko. Pamanalo ko naman tayo. Alam mo, nalulungkot talaga ako pag hindi ako nakakapag-raffle. Welcome to Mandurrial Plaza! This is where I met Trisha, one of our winners of our t-shirt. There we go! Then, good luck now then. We're turning right. after we cross the diversion road. Hi, Haruna.
Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo dili, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimdi. Ruby Inspired!